Hi guys, hope you all are doing well. You're watching Technofy's YouTube channel. Today we're gonna show you a brief introduction to this day's brand new AI field invention, way too amazing, ChatGPT. It's part 1 of our playlist about ChatGPT, and in this video we just want to introduce its extensive world shortly to you and give you some interesting fact about it you may not heard yet. And in other parts we'll keep you up to date about ChatGPT abilities and latest news, updates and new features, so make sure you subscribe to our channel and don't forget to leave a comment below and like this video. Without any further ado, let's get started. ChatGPT, Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is a chatbot developed by OpenAI and launched in November 2022. It is a revolutionary AI technology that helps the user to search for long-form question answers. It has a remarkable ability to interact in a conversational form that is easy to understand for a human. As the name suggests, generative is a model that can generate text. Pre-training relates to the fact that the model has an enormous amount of data in it. The transformer in GPT refers to the architecture of the AI model. Hence, ChatGPT simply means that this AI is capable of handling both long and short requests. It can also generate text of variable lengths as per the user's command. ChatGPT was created by a San Francisco-based artificial intelligence company which is OpenAI. Silicon Valley players Musk, Altman, Thiel, and LinkedIn co-founder Reid Hoffman founded it. However, Elon Musk left the company's board in 2018 to avoid conflicting developments with his other company Tesla. ChatGPT is designed in such a way that it creates responses that humans would prefer to know about. It gives natural answers to queries raised by humans in a conversational tone. Let us check out some things that ChatGPT is capable of doing for you. It can help you to write a code, debug code, help you to get ideas for a party, decoration, art, help you to complete assignment questions, extract data from text, solve math questions, write an article, translate into different language. Thanks to this ChatGPT, problems can be analyzed and solutions or answers to questions can be generated. It can be used to generate attractive posts and messages for social networks. With GPT, you can generate reports, emails, and other content for productivity applications. You may wonder, is ChatGPT free? The answer is yes, for the moment at least. But in January, OpenAI added a paid version that responds faster and keeps working even during peak usage times, when others get messages saying ChatGPT is at capacity right now. In order to begin using the ChatGPT, you would need to create your account on it first. To begin with, visit the official website of ChatGPT. Create your account by clicking on the sign up button by entering the details in it. Once your account is created, select your login method. The next step is to verify your account through the link that will be sent to your email ID. Follow the link that is sent to your email account. The next step shall be to enter your first and last name followed by your mobile number. Once this step is completed, you can use ChatGPT to solve your queries. The GPT-3 model in particular is 175 billion parameters in size, making it the largest language model ever trained. To work, GPT needs to be trained on a large amount of text. For example, the GPT-3 model was trained on a text set that included over 8 million documents and over 10 billion words. And it's becoming big business. Microsoft pledged to invest billions of dollars into OpenAI, saying in January it will build features into cloud services. OpenAI announced the $20 per month ChatGPT Plus service that responds faster and gets new features sooner. Here are some business areas that it is profitable to use the ChatGPT AI chatbot: programming, copywriting, translation, AI-based voice consultants, search for information. And you want to know what are some business advantages and disadvantages of the OpenAI GPT-3 chatbot? The answer is potential faster time to market, customer experience improvement, cost efficiency, and market expanding. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe our channel, and leave a comment below.